What's up, boys? We're back with another fucking video. We're back with some more Cemetery, bro. Somebody recommended I watch Chainsaw Party, bro. And I just heard the name of the song and I'm like, you know what? That sounds like a fucking banger, dude. So, yeah, we got Cemetery Chainsaw Party, bro. Let's get it. Okay. Oh, fuck. He's got the hockey mask and the chainsaw looking like Jason out here, bro. First off, this beat, these dings, bro, this shit sounds like more upbeat than usual. You feel me? Let me turn it up a little bit. Oh, there we go. There, the darker part of the beat kicks in. Okay, you got the old truck in the back too, the old Ford truck. Man's looking like Jason, bro. Ooh. Bro, I fucking love the fact that he's just like, I don't give a fuck, it's a chainsaw party. Bro, fuck yeah, dude. Fuck it. Fuck, it's a chainsaw party. Have a nice party, okay. Yeah. Dude, he's going hard in the paint, bro. I mean, fuck it. Sometimes you just gotta have a chainsaw party, bro. Shit. Oh. Okay. I don't want to sleep no more. I'm fucking thugging, bro. Damn, that's a bar. Bro, imagine if you saw him filming this shit in the woods with the chainsaw and the hockey mask on, bro. You'd think you straight up ran up on Jason, bro. Shit would be sketchy. Nah, for real though. Cemetery doing his thing. Ripping a fucking dart, too. Chainsaw party. Bro, how does he come up with this shit, bro? Like, was he just sitting there one day and he's like, dude, fuck it, man. Chainsaw party. And then, like, he's sitting there with, like, the other Haunted Mountain people and they're like, dude, chainsaw party. Fuck it. And he's like, I don't give a fuck, bro. It's a chainsaw party. Next thing you know, you got a fucking banger on your hands. I love the backing vocals. The backing vocals where it's like, "Come with me to hell and we could have a nice party." Like, bro. Chainsaw party. Chainsaw party. Bro, you know what I just realized? There's nothing more American than him with an American hockey mask on, ripping a fucking dart, right? In front of a Ford truck, bro. Now that is America right there, bro. I see you, Cemetery. A proud American, man. I love how it ends with the chimes there. Like, doot, 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 doot. Just sounds like upbeat and shit. What's this? Bro, this is like straight up lost footage at the end here. Bro, he put the dart through the fucking necklace? Okay. That song went hard, bro. That shit went stupid dummy, bro. No, but for real, you know, sometimes you just gotta have a chainsaw party, you know? Fuck it, bro. Some people have, like, birthday parties, fucking, you know. celebrations, weddings and shit. Nah, bro, you gotta have a fucking chainsaw party, bro. Fuck it. Shoutout Cemetery, bro, going ham as always. Shout out whoever recommended this. I don't remember offhand, bro, but yeah, chainsaw party's a fucking banger. And yeah, dude, as always, let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to subscribe, I don't give a fuck. Keep doing your thing, homie. I don't give a fuck. Nah, but for real, bro, appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos and shit. And if you fuck with me, I fuck with you. But I'm out this bitch. Until the next one, bro. Peace.